Right, we are back with a wet end to the week. How's your week been? Has it been as wet as ours? Not too bad though, hasn't affected the work. What have you been up to this week? What have you been doing? We're at the end of week 2 of this block paving driveway, working for Postmodern Construction. Their little tags in the corner. Go check out their Instagram, like their work, comment on their work, and follow their page to see what work we're doing throughout the year. It covers all sorts of extensions, kitchens, bathrooms, groundworks, whole range of things. So yeah, but we're back doing this this block paver driveway. We've laid all of our, obviously we've built all our edges, put all our edges in. We've built up the area with 40mm scalpings, and then we've got our final layer of 6mm to dust limestone. We've screeded that into place. We use iron bars, as you can see in the videos, and then screeded it with a bit of 2x4. Obviously this is compacted with a whacker plate. Once it's compacted, we kind of stay off it, so we just no one touch it, ask customers to stay off the area once it's fully compacted. And then we set up our string lines. We use the laser level to make sure that the line was straight, obviously. By tilting the laser level on the side, might only just be R1, but yeah, we can do that, tilt it sideways, mark it up, and we get our straight line. And then we set up the string line anyway, just to make sure that we follow that correctly. Every 5 rows of blocks, we just set the string line up again, just to make sure we're going in a nice straight line. These are 50mm blocks, 170mm wide. We've put a decent sub base beneath this to ensure longevity. Now, what have you guys been up to this week? This is the end of week 2 out of this 3 to 4 week project. I think it will drag on to the 4th week. Is there any videos you want to see on the block paving? What have you been up to this week? Comment below. Yeah, so yeah, like I say, good end to the week. We laid about 52 square meters in a day. How much can you lay? That was with 2 of us with the prep work done correctly. So we're kind of able to just lay on top, and we'd do our prep work and almost lay straight on top. So yeah, 52 square meters. How's your week been? Like, comment, subscribe, share the video, enjoy your weekend, and see you next week. Peace.